Assalamualaikum and good afternoon. I am about to explain on starting equipment on industrial gas turbine, and it is presented by me, Muhammad Hasnuddin from PLE. So these are the table of content. What I am about to explain is what is starting equipment on motor, starting equipment on diesel, starting equipment on steam or expansion turbine, function and operation of torque converters, initial starting device until turbine reach self-sustaining speed, and purpose of hydraulic ratchet system. So firstly, what is starting equipment? Starting equipment is the starting system has 5 main components: the ignition switch or start button, a neutral safety switch, an option of some vehicles, the starter solenoid, the starter motor, and the batteries. So these are the starting equipment. The main components are batteries, magnetic switch, starter motor, and starter solenoid, ignition switch. For the important is the starter motor. Without it, we cannot run or make an combustion before the motor is started. So the starting equipment on motor. To make an engine start, it must be turned at some speed so that it sucks fuel and air into the cylinder and compress it. The powerful electric starter motor does the turning. Its shaft carries a small pinion gear wheel, which is this one, the end of it, which engage a large gear ring around the rim of the engine flywheel. So this one is connected to the flywheel so that the piston suck fuel and air into the cylinder and compress it before the engine is started. This one is a starter rotor. This one ni lain sikit lah. This one ada solenoid sama return spring. Ni pakai solenoid pasal ni electric punya lah. So this one, starting equipment on diesel engine. The most common method for starting a diesel engine is through the use of glow plugs lah. Kalau gasoline pakai spark plug. This one diesel glow plug. Like an intake heater, the glow plugs operate off the power of the vehicle battery. The pre-warming process bring the air into the combustion chamber up to a temperature conducive to cold starting. Maksudnya glow plug ni untuk digunakan before starting lah. Maksudku macam kalau nada glow plug mana pulang boleh start jual lah kalau nada glow plug, tapi batah, ia crankingnya batah. So use of glow plug ni, diesel dia pakai spark lah. Diesel pakai apa, compression, heat compression lah hanya orang. Diesel pakai heat compression. So glow plug ni berguna time in cold starting or cold weather condition lah. So ni lah gambarnya. So this one, starting equipment on steam or expansion turbine. The vacuum pump and brings up the vacuum in condenser. Open condensate pump valve and switch on the pump. Check whether the condensate vacuum gland, steam pressure, steam inlet pressure, and loop oil pressure are normal. Start turbo generator from the local station and close the drain in the steam file. So this one is the starting equipment on steam. Firstly dari generator, dan second dari compressor. Compressor masuk air inlet, so masuk mixture of natural gas lah. Natural gas masuk dalam gas turbine, then heat recovery steam generator boiler, dan keluar balik. Just combustion lah, kurang lebih macam engine. Ganyak ni lain sikit lah gambarnya. So on this one, function and operation of torque converters. The torque converter casing connects to the flywheel. Ini kadang aku explain pasal flex plate. Asal ni spinning at same rate as crankshaft within the housing of the turbine. The impeller of centrifugal pump effectively flings the transmission fluid into the fins of the turbine that is turn spin or transmit a torque into the transmission. Kalau ni aku bagi contoh kereta lah. Kereta ada dua, auto sama manual, dan flywheel and flex plate. Kalau manual pakai flywheel, kalau automatic transmission car pakai flex plate. So torque converter sana kebanyakannya arah andang lah, bukan bilang kebanyakannya, andang arah auto transmission lah. Anda tahu lah kalau baru masa ni kebanyakannya torque converter arah automatic transmission. Torque converter ni ia dari, aku explain dari engine punya power, dorang masuk ke torque converter, dan torque converter ke gear ratio baru ke keluar lah untuk berjalan. Engine, torque converter, gearbox, dan baru ke shaft untuk spinning. So torque converter ni ia convert power macam so that the engine in the stall lah. So dapat ia engine tu in the stall, ia running, walaupun dia berjalan, ia torque converter ni ia torque the tu lah power engine supaya in the stall, sama adjust the power lah so that RPM dia lun rendah and dapat berjalan lah at high performance. So next one, initial starting device until turbine reaches sustaining speed. This one, initial ignition occurs from one or more spark plug depending on combustion chamber. Kalau ni initial starting device ni untuk gas turbine, maksudnya kalau banyak lagi spark plug, banyak lagi starting lah, depends lah macam mana ia punya turbine lah. So once the turbine reaches sustaining speed above 50% of full speed, the power output is enough to drive the compressor. Combustion is continuous and starter system can be disengaged. So ni gunanya untuk men-start sajalah turbine. Ia ni initial ignition ni, yang spark plug ni ia guna time starting sajalah. Time ia sudah akan sampai full speed atau 50% above, ia akan berhenti lepas tu ia akan pakai ia punya start, ia punya power sudah enough lah, macam compressor, combustion sama ia punya starter system. Starternya should be disengaged sudah lah, lagi on spark plugnya lah. So that's ada lagi, purpose of hydraulic ratchet system ni is used as a rotor turning device. The purpose are to cool down the rotor after the turbine operation. Kalau ni to assist the diesel or cranking motor in starting the gas turbine. This to prevent sagging happen to the rotor. Ni sama je ni macam one direction. One direction maksudnya ia turning on one direction lah. Ia macam ratchet. Ia kalau starting, maksudku starting sama slowing down, maksudnya on lower RPM nya rendah, ia akan berpusing, ada bunyi ratchet lah, bunyi ratchet pusing macam 2000 RPM lah. Udah macam 3000 ke atas, macam paling maksimum pun 8000, 7 ke 8, 9000 lah. Atau ia punya finnya dalam time low RPM macam mana, time fin dalam pusing macam ni, kampis berpusing, udah lambat bunyi tak bunyi. So ni maksudnya ratchet system lah. Ia to prevent sagging happen to the rotor lah. Macam one direction lah jalannya, berpusingnya. So that's all from me. Thank you and hope you understand what I am explain. Okay, Assalamualaikum.